This section explains the procedure for checking and fine-tuning touch sensor sensitivity, following the Step 2 tuning section. The touch sensor state can be checked using real-time waveforms on the GUI. With the target board connected to the PC, build the code reflecting the tuning results. Then start the debugger and the program will stop at the main function. Then run the program. Click on the Cap-Touch Workflow tab to display the workflow diagram. From Start Monitoring, click Show Views to display the monitoring screen. After choosing the sensor to be monitored on the touch interface to be monitored on the Cap-Touch status chart and click Enable Monitoring on the Cap-Touch board monitor to start monitoring the sensitivity. The Cap-Touch board monitor shows the touch interface configuration and touch positions. The Cap-Touch multi-status chart selectable multiple sensors and displays the detection measurement value graph of multiple touch sensors in real time. The Cap-Touch status chart displays the sensitivity of the one touch sensor in real time. The green line shows the detection threshold, the red line shows the detection measurement value, the detection status of the touch sensor is shown at the bottom of the chart. The Cap-Touch parameters list allows you to set the interface noise filter and fine-tune the sensitivity. Clicking on the item displays an explanation at the bottom, and enables changing the value of the selected item while monitoring. Even if the sensitivity needs to be readjusted to reflect changes in the thickness between the surface and the electrode, due to a change in product chassis design, the parameters can be adjusted while monitoring the sensitivity. Fine-tuned parameters are reflected to the source code by clicking the Output Parameter Files button. With a single click, the final tuning result can be reflected to the project easily. As we have seen in the previous 3 steps of configuration, tuning and monitoring by using the QE for capacitive touch for Renesas, you can easily and quickly optimize sensitivity of touch sensor, and how easiest to use touch sensors in your application. For more information about capacitive touch sensors, please visit our website.